And while we were in orientation, they were telling us all about our uniform, what we had to wear. And then they started telling us, well, we couldn't come to work wearing. So back then, you couldn't have a lot of tattoos. You couldn't have a lot of piercings. You couldn't have crazy colors in your hair, And then they started talking about we couldn't wear afros. They started talking about we couldn't wear braids. We couldn't wear locks. And that puzzled me so much because I'm like, okay, these are hairstyles that Black people wear on a normal basis. Like, why can't we come to work with these kinds of hairstyles? And at the time, I was in the process of transitioning from being a woman who straightened her hair to being a woman who had natural hair.